Alright. Let's try this video again. So, as you know, I haven't uploaded for, I think, about almost 4 weeks now. And there's a good reason for that. Long story short, my hard drive on my laptop crashed. I basically lost everything on my hard drive, and that included a video that I had to edit and upload in my last batch, where I ate a Korean noodle called 핵불닭볶음면. And it's basically this really popular Korean noodle that is in like some black packaging. And so I was really bummed out by that, but it's okay because I have with me 핵불닭볶음면. So this is basically the new spicy Korean noodle that had just been recently released. I believe it came out in like sometime mid-January. And so don't ask me how I got my hands on these. I haven't seen many people making reactions to this that are foreigners. I'm gonna make my reaction and I'm gonna eat not one but two of them at the same time. It kind of sucks though because I don't think I can get my hands on this for a while. I hope this one makes me cry and cringe, and so let's do it. Follow me to the kitchen. Alrighty, so the water is boiling. Time to add the noodles. That moment when you don't have a tripod, so you have to like do everything one at a time. Alright, okay, so gonna add the noodles in. Alright, so I'm gonna put the stuff that is easier to get in first. It looks weird, but whatever. Alright, get it in there. Can't let the noodles get too soft. So I added one pack in, and it's really hard to get it on camera because like I have like only two hands. Time to get the other one. Alrighty, see? Time to pour it in. Okay, it's hot. The stove. Okay. I turned down the heat to let it cook a little more, and I think I've done it. Oh my gosh. My product is complete. Look. 핵불닭볶음면 times 2. And I'm eating 2 of them. Isn't that ironic? Alrighty. So, can I be seen well? Should I scoot up? Okay. So, like my original video that got messed up, I did not drink any water. And so, I would not drink any water for this one too. Last time it was perfectly fine. I ate that thing like nothing. But I'm a little scared. This is the real devil's noodle. And so, it doesn't really smell dangerous. Alright. 잘 먹겠습니다. I'm scared. Take a look at this. Okay.
I would not drink any water for this one too. Last time it was perfectly fine. I ate that thing like nothing.
Holy shit. It's spicy. It's spicier than the last one, that's for sure. And this video will not get accidentally deleted. This is my first time eating this. And I have to say the flavor is 10 out of 10. I really like it. I'm not really struggling though. Like my nose doesn't even feel like running or anything. Did my voice just tremble a little bit? Okay. Mm. This is a lot to eat for some spicy food. You know what have really made this challenge a lot more interesting? Eating this while drinking Sprite. Now, that makes eating any type of spicy food difficult. Drinking soda while eating spicy food is like the most difficult challenge ever. Maybe I should have done that, but that would have really killed me. Normally I'd be watching Return of Superman while doing this, but I really wanted to make a video. Too bad I couldn't enjoy this while watching that show. To be honest, I don't know. I can't notice a huge difference in spice. Like the other one was spicy too, but like I'm handling it just fine. Huh. It's good though. I made a mistake while making it. I should have drained the water first. Oh my gosh. Oh, my nose is running. I should have drained the water first and then add the little seeds. But I don't know what made me do it the other way this time. So maybe that's also a factor. But I doubt a few seeds going down the drain, not all of them, but just a few, would make a huge difference in spice. Aish. Heck. Wow. Meshi so. Oh my gosh, this is hot. I ate this right off the stove. It doesn't help that it's spicy too. Aish. Ay, ay, ay. Look at this. Take a look at this. The double noodle. This is definitely a better challenge than the last one was. To be honest, like I feel this in my stomach. Like right now, like I feel something in my stomach, and I don't know what it is. Oh man, I'm gonna have so much fun after this video. Huh. Can you imagine if like someone like me gets super greedy, licks the plate, and then like itches his eye? You will suffer. Oh my god, my nose is running. Oh, whew. Just so you see that I didn't wipe my mouth. I'm not a cheater. But this one's a lot more difficult to eat. Really spicy. Oh my gosh. I feel like this is one of those things where you have to keep eating it to get the effect. And I ate 2 of them. So I feel like I doubled the spice. Because it's different just eating one, you know? And then eating another one. This is at the same time. Make sure you chew your food, guys. Don't swallow. Take your time. Well, don't go too slow with this one, though. Do I eat too fast? Maybe. I can't leave this on my tongue for long periods of time. It's really, really hot. Oh my gosh. Oh, Ah, almost dropped it. Okay. Oh crap. Ready? This is actually pretty spicy. I mean, I'm sure when I get used to it, you know, but this is my very first time and I was not prepared at all. Gotta get every last bit. Every last bit. Okay. And in my last video, I licked the plate, and I ain't no bitch, so I'm gonna lick the plate. 감사합니다. Oh my gosh. Well, my stomach hurts. My stomach hurts. Thank you guys for watching, and don't do this at home. Peace out.
I would not drink any water for this one too. Last time it was perfectly fine. I ate that thing like nothing.